Hey code warriors, welcome back to another engaging episode on Code Master Quest. Today we are going to solve the isomorphic string problem, but this time in Python. So if you are interested in the Swift solution for this question, please check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, let's try to solve this problem in Python. Let's figure out the problem statement here. Given two string s and t, determine if they are isomorphic or not. And two string s and t are isomorphic if the characters in s can be replaced to get t. And all occurrence of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of the characters. And no two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself, right? Now let's find out the examples here. If we get two strings like this, egg and add, we should return true because we can map E to A and G to D and receive, the add from egg, right? But for example number 2, if we map F to B and O to A, we cannot make bar from foo, right? So we should return false. Now let's come back to the Visual Studio Code and try to solve this problem. Now let me define the solution class and function signature here. So let's say class solution f is isomorphic, and the parameter for this function, which is going to be two string s and t as t, and the return value would be from type of boolean. Okay, as a temporary return statement, let's return true from this function. We will revisit this line later on. And to find out whether s and t are isomorphic, I'm going to define a helper function to find a one-to-one mapping between these two parameters. So let's say def helper self s string and t string, and we are going to return a boolean from this function as well. So let's say return bool. And to find the one-to-one mapping, let me define a dictionary here, map empty dictionary, and make a for loop between the characters in s and t with a zip operator. So let's say for s char and t char in zip for s and t. Then we want to check whether the mapping for s char is equal to t char or not, right? So let's say if s char in map and the map for s char is not equal to t char, then this is not isomorphic. So let's return false from this function. Else should say map for s char is going to be t char, right? And at the end we can return true from this function. Now it's easy to complete this problem by checking whether there is two one-to-one mapping from s and t and t to s, right? So let's say helper, actually it should be self.helper for s and t, and self.helper for t and s. To find out whether our solution is correct, let me define an instance of the solution class and try to test it with two examples from the LeetCode. So let's bring this one to the Visual Studio Code and paste it just right here. And let me call my function solve.isomorphic for egg and add. I missed one double quotation here. Now let's bring the terminal and run my Python file. It's true, right? So the solution should be completed. And as the last job, let's submit this solution to LeetCode. Hit the submit button. And there we go. Here's the solution for this question. Thank you, everyone.